Vanuatu, a South Pacific archipelago of 83 islands, beckons adventurers with its blend of natural beauty and cultural richness. To kick off your multi-city island adventure, zero in on cities that pique your interest. Port Vila, the capital, is a mosaic of modernity and Melanesian heritage, offering markets, museums, and waterfront walks. Luganville is your gateway to underwater marvels like the SS President Coolidge wreck. For a fiery spectacle, Tanna Island's Mount Yasur awaits, while Espiritu Santo boasts the idyllic Champagne Beach. Don't miss Pentecost Island's thrilling land diving tradition, a testament to the island's cultural vibrancy. Seamless travel and cozy stays are the backbone of any island-hopping journey. In Vanuatu, Air Vanuatu's domestic flights connect the dots between your chosen destinations. Book early and consider a multi-island flight pass to save on costs. Accommodations range from luxury resorts with ocean vistas to eco-friendly bungalows. Pick places that offer both convenience and the amenities you desire, ensuring your adventure is as comfortable as it is exciting. Crafting a thoughtful itinerary maximizes your Vanuatu experience. List your cities, allocate time wisely, and factor in travel durations. Prioritize iconic spots like the Mele Cascades and Champagne Beach, but leave space for spontaneity. Research local events and festivals for a deeper cultural immersion, and engage with the Ni Vanuatu people to enrich your understanding of their lifestyle. Vanuatu's soul lies in its cultural heritage and natural splendors. Visit Yakul Village on Tanna Island to witness a way of life preserved through time. Dive into the marine world, kayak around the islands, and hike through rainforests to discover places like the Millennium Cave and Raru Cascades. Local guides can offer invaluable insights, turning your adventure into an enlightening journey. Safety and sustainability are paramount. Check travel advisories, register with your embassy, and secure comprehensive travel insurance. Embrace responsible tourism by minimizing plastic use, supporting local enterprises, and respecting the environment. Participate in community-based tourism to contribute positively to Vanuatu's preservation. In conclusion, a multi-city island adventure in Vanuatu is a mosaic of experiences, from the adrenaline of land diving to the tranquility of turquoise waters. By selecting captivating cities, ensuring smooth logistics, crafting a dynamic itinerary, delving into cultural depth, and traveling responsibly, you're set for an unforgettable escapade. Vanuatu's welcoming spirit and unparalleled landscapes are calling. Answer the call and embark on a journey that will etch itself into your memory forever. Book with a Vanuatu specialist at Far and Away Adventures.